Rev up, sim racers! Are you tired of flimsy setups that ruin your immersion? What if I told you there's a cockpit so realistic, it feels like you're on the actual track? Today, we're counting down the top 5 sim racing cockpits that will take your gaming experience to the next level. From budget-friendly options to pro-level rigs, we've got it all. And trust me, the number 1 pick will leave you speechless. Don't go anywhere, all the product links are in the description below. Let's hit the gas and dive in. Number 1. Next Level Racing FGT Elite 160. The Next Level Racing FGT Elite 160 is a high-end racing simulator cockpit designed for beginners and veterans alike who want the flexibility to switch between Formula and GT driving positions. The unit is made from 160 profile aluminum extrusion, which minimizes flex during racing sessions for a realistic experience. Its modular design allows for various add-ons, perfect for slowly building up your rig over time. The cockpit is compatible with a wide range of steering wheels and pedals, ensuring adaptability with essentially all popular sim racing gear. Assembly can be time-consuming, but the FGT Elite 160 makes up for it with exceptional stability and customization. Adjustability is a key feature of this rig, with options to tweak height, angle, and distance of the seat, wheel, and pedal mounts for a personalized fit. Number 2. Playseat Trophy. The Playseat Trophy is a relatively new chair from Playseat, made in collaboration with Logitech. While we haven't used one yet, its shape bears a striking resemblance to the Playseat Challenge. More about this seat below, albeit with a much sturdier, non-folding frame and a more padded seat. It's not nearly as adjustable as some other options on this list, but it does offer wheel and pedal adjustments. One major benefit of the Trophy over the Challenge is Playseat's new patented body-conforming ActiFit seat technology, which conforms to your body for a better fit. We also like the wide shoulder supports of the Trophy, which is something we wish Playseat would add to its more compact Challenge cockpit. Number 3. Next Level Racing GT Track. The Next Level Racing GT Track, NLRS009, features a robust design with comprehensive adjustability and support for additional sim racing gear. Inspired by insights from professional and esports drivers, it supports all major wheel and pedal brands and can handle strong direct drive wheels thanks to its laser-cut carbon steel frame. Users can adjust the distance and angle of pedals, the height and tilt of the wheel plate, and the seat distance and angle. It's also compatible with other sim racing equipment, such as handbrakes, shifters, butt kickers, and more through optional mounting accessories. While we wouldn't suggest using the cockpit while on wheels, it does come with casters. Number 4. Playseat Challenge Sim. The Playseat Challenge is the perfect solution for sim racers who are short on space but don't want to compromise on the quality of their racing experience. Its key feature is its foldable, lightweight design that makes it easy to set it up when you need it and pack it away when you're done. Despite its compact design, it's quite comfortable with a fully adjustable seat and sturdy frame that can support vigorous racing action. We used a Playseat Challenge over the course of 5 years in various apartments, and dollar for dollar, it's the best value out there if you need to save on space. It can get a bit wobbly if using a stronger wheel, but we've used the Fanatec Club Sport Wheel Base 2.5 on it for years, and it's held up through hundreds of races and tens of thousands of laps. Number 5. Next Level Racing FGT Lite Formula and GT. The Next Level Racing FGT Lite Formula and GT cockpit is distinct from the competition in that its folding design makes it possible to switch between Formula and GT-style seating positions. This makes it a lightweight solution for anyone who wants to dabble in various motorsport disciplines without having to sacrifice realistic seating positions for one or the other. Like the Playseat Challenge, the FGT Lite Formula and GT can be folded up with the wheel and pedals in place for easier storage. When you want to get racing, simply slide it out, use the lever-style pivot points, and get it into the shape you need for the race at hand. So, which sim racing cockpit are you picking for your ultimate setup? Whether it's the mind-blowing number 1 pick or the budget-friendly option, these cockpits are total game changers. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped you out, share it with your fellow racers, and subscribe for more high-octane gear reviews. All the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep racing like a pro.